To start a business Pinterest account, you need to 1. Open the Pinterest app and log into your personal Pinterest account. 2. Tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner. 3. Tap the ellipsis icon at the top right corner. 4. Tap Settings. 5. Tap Add Account. 6. Under Create a Free Business Account, tap Create. 7. Tap Linked Business Account. 8. Tap Create an Account. 9. Follow the prompts to create your business account, then tap Done. In summary, to start a business Pinterest account, you need to open the Pinterest app and log into your personal Pinterest account. Then tap your profile picture at the bottom right corner and tap the ellipsis icon at the top right corner. Tap Settings and then Add Account. Under Create a Free Business Account, tap Create. Tap Linked Business Account and then Create an Account. Follow the prompts to create your business account.